Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students, today you are going to discuss what the pectoral girdle of frog. This is what pectoral girdle of frog. How would you come across this question? I will tell you. In question number 3 of your FSC, or or any other examination, question number 2, maybe number doesn't matter. However, in FSC intermediate, you come across the question like pick out the pectoral girdle or pelvic girdle or so any name you're asked about the parts of skeleton of frog. Okay, you have to pick it out from all the parts, so it means you can identify. It carries 1 mark. Okay, next comes what you have to draw it. Okay, and now let me tell you, I have drawn already this figure to save your time, because in the videos we don't have enough time to record a long video, and you also don't have enough time to watch that. Okay, so here is what I would like to tell you people. From here I have drawn it. I have given the colors. Okay, so that you may know, you may be able to distinguish different parts of the pectoral girdle. I may remind you that in the last lecture you studied the structure of pelvic girdle. Pelvic girdle is that very girdle which joins your hind limb, your means all the vertebrates. Okay, and the pectoral girdle is that very girdle which is in the area of pectoris. Pectoris means your shoulder. Okay, and this girdle joins yours as well as the frogs, etc., all the vertebrates, the forelimb. Okay, so this is our, I should say, the pectoral girdle. Here is clavicle, and on the back side here is present the scapula. Okay, scapula. Let's come to the frog's pectoral girdle. Should I write here question number 3? Okay, it is about the skeleton of frog. Again and again I'm telling people, because it is only in your syllabus. The anatomy or the study of skeleton is related with only the frog skeleton. Okay, well, if Almighty Allah wishes and you get the admission in the medical college, you would study the skeleton of human beings. Okay, come back. Here is the first part of the skeleton here. Okay, this is what this one. This is called what? Episternum. What? Episternum. And here is what attached to it is what? The omosternum. This one up to here. This is what? Omosternum, right? In the red color. And this one from here to here. Okay, and from on the back side of the structure, this is clavicle. On the back side of this is what? The part of metasternum. Okay, from here to here is what? The metasternum hole. Okay, and this is what? This is metasternum, this one, and this is episternum, this one, and this is what? Omosternum. What? Omosternum. And here is clavicle. This one is from here to here up to here. This is what? Clavicle. 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 In Greek mythology, the the Greek gods used the locks. Okay, and I won't go into the detail of those locks. You can study well, but I will tell you people that clavicle is that something which is given after this bone is given the name after the name of the key which was used by the Greek gods. Okay, and here is coracoid. This one, this is what, from here to here up to here. This is what coracoid. Okay, and at the end of this all is actually from starting from here to here is all the sternum. Okay, sternum, is on the back side, on the back side. Now you see what here is what the coracoid. This one is what the scapula. What this one is what scapula, and this is what suprascapula. What suprascapula. I will tell you people that this is how could you be able to identify it as the ventral side or the dorsal side. Ventral side or the dorsal side. This is what the dorsal side. Why? Because your own, means yours and mine, clavicle is on the ventral side. Clavicle is, this is clavicle, and this is clavicle, this bone, okay, which is known as the beauty bone in the girls. Okay, well, this is what the scapula. So scapula is always present on the dorsal side. Okay, so this is what the dorsal side, right? And this is scapula, this is suprascapula. I will tell you people that suprascapula is no more present in the body of you people. Okay, just the rudiments are there, but the suprascapula as this structure is not present. Okay, another thing, may I tell you people that the frog doesn't have the ribs. It doesn't have the ribs. Okay, it has what the coracoid and clavicle, which support the whole region, chest region of this animal. Okay. What about the xyphisternum, episternum, homosternum, this one, and metasternum and xyphisternum. Xyphisternum is given the name after the handle of dagger. You know dagger? That dagger. Okay, so this is you see what I have drawn here, the dagger, this one, and it is like the dagger. So it is given the name. This one is given the name after the dagger. Okay. ਉਹ ਤਲਵਾਰ ਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਭਾਜੀ ਡੈਗਰ, ਸਮਝ ਆ ਗਈ ਹੈ ਨਾ? ਤੁਸੀਂ ਫੇਰ ਕਹੋਗੇ ਡੈਗਰ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ? DAGGER, dagger. Okay, and that is what talwar. ਫੇਰ ਨਾ ਕਹਿਣਾ. Well, come back. Why do we call it pectoral? I told you people, pertaining to the shoulder, जिसका ताल्लुक shoulder के साथ होता है, कंधे के साथ. Well, girdle, girdle is that something which is used to bind something. Okay, your dog and your lion, your cheetah, all those animals have the girdle, and with that very girdle is attached the chain. Okay, you might have studied the idiom, who would girdle the lion. इसका मतलब क्या है? Who would girdle the lion? Lion के गले में पटा कौन डालेगा? Okay, and your belt is nothing but the girdle for attaching your trousers. Okay. Well, it's all about the question number three part. Uh, any part. I told you people that you may come across a pectoral girdle or pelvic girdle uh, or what your skull. Okay, skull of frog. I mean, uh, ventral side of skull of frog, dorsal side of skull of frog. I'll I'll inshallah tell you people how to draw and how to understand the structure of the skull of frog in the subsequent lecture. If you have understood well, it's your duty to subscribe it and like it. If you have liked, okay, like it. Okay. I mean, you don't say I have liked it. You must like it, and again, you must share to your loved ones.